Well, hello everybody, Mark Anthony, welcome back. Today I want to show you this. This is the KIZEN LaserPro LP300 infrared thermometer, okay? This was sent to me for my review and honest opinion. And I like it. There's a lot of uses for this thing around the house and around the office, all right? But first of all, do not use this on humans. And for best results, it's got to be about 12 to 14 inches away from whatever it is that you are measuring. I've used this on my car engine. I've used this on my AC vents in the house. I've used this, of course, on the stove and my pool water. Very, very accurate, very, very easy to use. So there's the trigger, very fast, very accurate. Now, you hit the button, there it is. There's, okay, now, it'll stay lit like that for about 20 seconds and then it turns itself off. Right there's your battery strength, right there's the light telling you that it's holding, right there is the temperature. Now, if you want, you hit that little button right there and now you have a light. You have a laser light right there. Pretty cool. Very easy to operate, all right? Go ahead and take a look at it, all right? I'm Mark Anthony and I will see you on the next video.